Good morning, students. Welcome to the GK class. Students, open your book GK Planet. Today we are going to start with lesson number 33, that is Sun and Planets, on the page number 48 and 49. The universe consists of more than 500 solar systems. Our solar system present inside the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy is called so because the Romans named it as they found the Earth's skyline at night to resemble that of a band and a patch of milk. The solar system is the most important part of our Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system consists of 8 planets that revolve around the Sun. These planets have broadly been classified into 2 categories, that are inner planets and outer planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are called inner planets. The inner planets are closer to the Sun and smaller in size as compared to the outer planets. And other 4 planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are termed as the outer planets. These 4 are massive in size and are often referred to as giant planets. There are rotation and revolution period of the planets. Rotation is a circular movement of an object around its axis. Axis means an imaginary line about which a body rotates. Next, revolution. Revolution is when one body moves around another body. Now, in this lesson, we will discuss about the Sun and planets in detail. There are 8 planets in our solar system. To learn the names of these planets, you have to learn one sentence. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. M. Mercury. V. Venus. E. Earth. M. Mars. J. Jupiter. S. Saturn. U. Uranus. N. Neptune. First of all, we will discuss about Sun. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is by far the most important source of energy for the life on the earth. The light of the moon comes from the Sun. It is the brightest object in the sky. Number 1 is Mercury. Mercury is the planet nearest to the Sun and is also the smallest, only a bit larger than Earth's moon. Mercury was named after the Roman messenger god because of its fast movements around the sun. Number 2 is Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. Venus is Earth's twin in size. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. It is one of the brightest planet. Next one is Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun and the fifth largest planet in the solar system. It is the only planet with life on it. The Earth takes 24 hours to rotate on its axis. The revolution period of Earth is 365 days and 6 hours. Next one is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun and second smallest planet. It is also known as the red planet because it appears in the sky as an orange-red star. Number 5 is Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun and the biggest planet in the solar system. It is twice the size of all other planets combined. Next one is Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun with a large planetary ring in the solar system. This planet has the most moons. It is so light that it could float on water. Next one is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun and third largest planet in the solar system. It is referred to as ice giant. Next one is Neptune. Neptune is the most distant and farthest planet in the solar system. It is the fourth largest planet and the coldest planet. Now students, as we have discussed about the sun and the planets, now you have to complete these exercises, revise these pages and do the worksheet given in your SNAP homework. Thank you and have a nice day.